foodies, welcome back to Shimi's Kitchen. Today I'm making mutton paya soup. This is so easy to make and it has many health benefits, and it is indeed a nourishing soup for kids, young ones as well as old ones. So here I'm showing you the easiest and it tastes very delicious. The soup are best during winter and rainy seasons. So let's see how to make this mutton paya soup. Let's begin. Bismillah. First I'm going to add 2 tablespoons butter in a pressure cooker. Goes in 12 cloves, 2-inch cinnamon, 2 cardamom, 1 black cardamom, 1 teaspoon black peppercorn, 2 chopped green chillies, 2-inch roughly chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon roughly chopped garlic, and 1 bay leaf. Saute for a second. And next I'm adding 12 chopped shallots, choti pyaz. Saute till it becomes translucent. And now add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder. Fry this for a second. And to this I'm adding 1 set of mutton paya. Mix it up nicely. And next I'm going to add 3 cups of water. Mix well. And now I'm going to close the lid and pressure cook for 7 to 8 whistles till paya becomes soft. And now open the lid once pressure goes off, stir well, and next I'm going to strain the paya soup. Take out all the paya pieces and drop it in the soup again. And now sprinkle some fresh chopped coriander leaves and serve immediately. You can serve this soup with idiyappam, appam or dosa. There are various ways of making mutton paya soup, but this one is best to make at winter season. So guys, try this out and let me know how it turned out for you. If you guys like this recipe, make sure to subscribe and share this recipe with your family and friends. See you next time. Take care and have a nice day.